So here at AEP Texas, drone technology just makes sense because it allows us to cover the enormous area that we have in Texas, which is close to 100,000 square miles. The only way that we can get an effective picture of our assets is with drone technology, and we're inspecting our assets to make sure that we're giving the best quality of service that we can to our customers. In storm restoration, crews can request a drone in case they can't access an area of the circuit that's blocked by either vegetation, debris, or waterways, so flooding. So it allows us to get eyes on the circuit in minutes instead of hours waiting for a crew or water to recede. This van, this is our mobile command center. So out of here we can operate this drone remotely or on site, as well as all the other drone docks that we have stationed here in Texas. For the next upcoming storm that we encounter, we're going to be much more prepared because we've already been through storms with drones. We know what to expect. We know how to deploy them in the field quicker, faster.